Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is another vlog. I'm driving, so I'm gonna get off this in a second, but I'm all glammed up today because I'm going to the
mile, turn left onto South Avenue 21 toward I-5 North.
Thank you for the directions. Hold on, let me just merge into this lane real quick. Okay, so I'm going to the Riley Rose opening at the Westfield Topanga Mall today, so that's why I'm glammed up, I'm dressed up, hair is slicked back, and I honestly didn't have that much time to get ready, so this is like the best I could do.
Turn left onto South Avenue 21.
On my eyes today, I've got the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, and I'm wearing the Kiss 11 lashes. I'm wearing my Clio liner, the one that I talked about in my Instagram stories. My lips are the Too Faced Melted Matte in Cool Girl, I think. And then I'll show you guys my outfit once I get there, but I'm just going to focus on the road, and I will see you guys in Topanga.
Hi guys.
He's gonna tell us why he loves working at Riley Rose and why he loves Riley Rose.
Totally. There's just so many cool indie brands that people haven't heard of, you see online, you really want to try in store. My favorite are the lemon hip glitters.
Yes.
Honestly, if you're a glitter queen like I am, you can just apply it to your hair, your face, your body, straight from the bottle.
Yay! Go check out Riley Rose right here at the Westfield Topanga Mall. Yes! Yay! Oh yeah, this is where I need to be. Then our K-Beauty, our Korean skincare. So happy to see it all out here in this Riley Rose store. They have all the Korean beauty. It's incredible. I needed like a quiet place to talk because it's really loud over there, but pretty much just got inside and it's gorgeous. It's so well lit, the entire store. All the stuff is so gorgeous. We've got like living proof, there's all this K-Beauty stuff. It's incredible. Like they have literally everything. And how cute is this store? Like come on. Literally it doesn't get any better than this. All the employees here are so nice. They're super sweet and welcoming. So it's just such a cute store. I'm so excited for you guys to see this new store. Like they're growing so quick. You'll be seeing a Riley Rose store soon near you. So excited. So I'm gonna just get shopping now and probably purchase like all the fun stuff. They literally have like a back to school section. Like, are you joking? Like, why do you need to go to Target when you can just come to Riley Rose, you know? They have like a little cotton candy machine. So cute. They've got brands like Lime Crime. I love that they do this. Best of eye palettes. Like they just pick out the best of the best eye palettes. They've also got Beauty Bakery. This company is changing the game, literally. A company that's doing something different. You have to look into Beauty Bakery. They are doing incredible things. We've got Lily Lashes. Everything you've ever seen on Instagram or YouTube, and they only have online stores. You can pretty much buy them here at the Riley Rose. Okay, so I'm just now leaving the Riley Rose event, got some goodies. I had so much fun, met a ton of new people, so that's super exciting. But yeah, it just was kind of a far drive, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, my closest Riley Rose store, there's like a couple on the West Coast, so that's really exciting, but I'm just so beat. I got a little goodie bag, a little gift from Riley Rose as well, so I'm just so excited to try out all the new products. I'll show you guys at the end of this video of all the new products, but yeah, I'm just like so beat. I need to go home, so I will see you guys at home. So I just got home and I am just so tired. I just want to wash all my makeup off. I even want to like just jump in the shower really quick and like wash my hair because it has a ton of like product in it. But I just wanted to show you guys like the products that I got today. So I did buy some on my own, like with my own money. Not that I even need to tell you guys that. Okay, wait, also I took these like really cute Polaroid kind of photos. I'm gonna like stick them right there on my mirror. Alrighty, so the first thing is this Beauty Bakery setting powder, and I got this because I love this brand. It's just doing big things on Instagram and just changing the game, so make sure you guys check out Beauty Bakery. I didn't really have like a cream that I wore every day. Like I only had like a moisturizer, and I really liked the feeling of this one here. I also got this Stila primer. This is the One Step Illuminate Primer. I don't have a primer. My hangover primer is almost gone, so I got this primer. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Like, I'm still on the fence about it. At the event, we did get a couple of products. This brand called Lapcos or something like that. Smells really good. I really like this. I got this Lime Crime Wet Cherry, like, gloss lip thing in Tangy Orange, and I don't really wear orange lips glosses, so I might have to give that to somebody. WinkyLux Concealer. Love the consistency of this. I might try this tonight, the Black Sugar Mask Wash Off. I might try that tonight. This looks really interesting to me. And then some like lipsticks from this Snow White collection. And then this Moon Topper like liquid eyeshadow by BM Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand. I got these two like little pouches. This is kind of cool, I think. So that pretty much sums up my entire night. Let me know if you guys like it when I take you to places with me. If you like it, like I'm going to another event tomorrow. So let me know if you guys like it when I like do this kind of stuff and show you the event and this and that. I don't want it to come off as like I'm bragging ever, so that's the reason that I've always hesitated to like do anything like this. This influencer stuff has like recently happened to me, so I'm like, do you guys even care or want to see it? So I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below, because like I'm really interested in your guys' feedback. I'm gonna try out the Black Sugar Mask Wash Off by Skinfood. Oh, it's pretty like tough. Do you guys see this? I thought my hand would just like dip in there, but it didn't. It's like more of like a scrub. Okay, this stuff smells like kind of weird. Okay, so the ingredients are all in Korean. I don't really know like enough about Korean to tell you guys what's in it, but contains fresh plants, fruits. I don't really know. For all I know, I could legitimately be putting poop on my face. But it says a scrub mask that contains mineral-enriched Brazilian black sugar and promotes smooth, glowing skin. So I'm gonna leave this on for the next 10 minutes. In hopes for smooth, glowing skin. So it's been well over 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna remove this now, and I almost like fell asleep while I had this on. So let me remove this and show you what my skin looks like. Okay, so I just rinsed off the face mask and my skin is feeling really smooth. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some toning and just the typical stuff that I do. So, oh no, I'm out of cotton rounds. Again, I'm using the Kiehl's Herbal Extract Toner. You guys have seen this before. And I always take things down my neck. Let that cool off for a second. Honestly, tonight I'm so tired, I don't even care to do like all the extra steps. I'm just gonna take some of this cream. So I just have a little bit of the Banila Hydration Boosting Cream on my finger. Oh, it feels so good. It's so light. It's like a good mix between like a gel and a cream, because it's not as thick as cream, but it's not as like slippery as gel is. Gonna brush my teeth and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I feel like I should leave you guys here. I'm gonna leave you guys here because it's not that exciting to see me just like brush my teeth. So I will see you guys all in my next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So I will see you guys all on my next video on Monday. Bye!